Alright, this week's video, today's September 14th, Friday, 2018. We're talking about 175/75 R14 Remington white walls. I ordered these off eBay. They were $296 shipped to the house from California. Had a $40 gift card, so I got to use that. That's pretty cool. And then so they came in about 4 days. So I did a lot of thinking before I bought tires. I juggled the idea of some bias ply tires, 560s, thought about 520s, but I've read some reviews and I don't know, I prefer steel belted, just feel a lot safer with steel belted. So then the question was what size, and I looked around looking at this size, looking at 175/70, 185/70, 195, 205, anything bigger than that. I don't want it to look like a balloon. So I was looking at these Hankook, I believe they're H724, and they're 185/70 14s. You can get them on eBay for like $44 a piece. I was considering those, but I had questions about the white walls. I've owned a whole lot of white walls over the years, all kinds of brands. I see that Milestar makes a white wall, Travel Star makes a white wall, Sure Trek makes a white wall, and Remington, Michelin makes a white wall. So really my main concern is that the white walls stay white and look good. Travel Stars, I've had a set of Travel Stars, they were total garbage. White walls turn yellow. I even used paint on them, garbage. I had Milestars, garbage. So I settled for these Remingtons after I talked to a few friends of mine. And I don't think these Remingtons are the same Remingtons from the early 2000s, late 90s. I think these are the same tread pattern as the Sure Track. I mean, who knows, man? I think they're the same, and they just rebrand them because I don't remember Remingtons looking like this. And the tread pattern definitely ain't old school Remingtons. But nonetheless, they are 175/75 14. These are on 14x6 G-body wheels. Not much of a balloon. That's exactly what I was looking for. In a radial. See, I really like the way they look. The white wall, they claim to be 5/8. They're either that or 3/4 or something in between. Kind of hard to measure, but I mean, white walls look good. Pretty happy with them. I took these to discount tire. Waste of time because I said, you know what, I'm gonna go somewhere nice, pay the extra or whatever it is, get somebody who knows what they're doing so they don't scratch up my painted wheels. I even talked to the guy. I said, man, I'm surely you guys know what you're doing. He said, yeah, I'm gonna get the what do you call them? Service coordinator. Personally put these on for you. I said, sure, I'll be back. Went to Walmart, came back. Bam. I should have went to Rodriguez down the street and paid less. That's what I think about discount tire. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but you know, when you spend money and time to actually paint these wheels and actually powder coat them first, then scuff them, then spray them, then clear them, then order the tires, and they assure you that they won't scratch the paint, and then they do that. And like I say, from 2 feet, 3 feet, it's not that big of a deal, but it's the principle behind it. And after they reassured me that they knew what they were doing, obviously they didn't. So it is what it is. Lesson learned. I won't be going back over there. I know it's a small scratch, but you know, What if it was chrome? What if it was even gold? So what would they tell you? You know, we're sorry, and we don't even know where to order those wheels for you. So next time I'll just go down the street. But that's the 175 75 14 Remington on a 14x6 G-body wheel. Also 14x6 is stock Impala wheel. So same thing. That's what you can expect as far as the you know, not much of a bubble, kind of tall, narrow. And tomorrow we're gonna wake up. I'm gonna weld these pieces in. I spray painted around them so I know what to grind clean. And I'm gonna make a template for the guy that requested one. Hopefully I get these welded in, and the goal for this weekend is get these pieces welded in and in epoxy so that I can start with the tiger hair. So stay tuned.